not started yet. You just started?
Also, the grass lights and fires.
That's it? That's all it does?
I don't know.
Not it. It only just started.
Make out with me to this.
That sucked.
Hold on.
That's what I can do.
Is there another one? I can't see it all because it's so dark out here, but I'm just gonna look at the light. I can see a silhouette of Steve. Steve, do something crazy.
Run, boy, run! Are you aiming at us?
It's not aimed at you.
It's the final countdown. Oh, that is.
Somebody jump over it. Jump over it.
Oh, come on, it stopped and the box is on fire.
Stop. I wanted it to burn.
How many do you have left?
We have one more.
One.
All right, well, somebody jump over it this time.
Evil Knievel.
Martha!
Watch this be the one that like flies.
Martha, I love you. I love you so much. I love you like the back of my hand.
I'm gonna laugh when I go back.
What? That made no sense.
You know, you guys didn't get me a birthday present.
I don't care.
Here, you ready?
Dude, it's going on, man. It's going on.
All right, go.
Not yet.
Yeah, well, you know what I mean. Just like get ready.
Now we're all high.
Let's all light one match.
It burned my feet.
Let's all have one match and just run around the yard like it's sparklers.
Can I write my name?
Actually, I have sparklers.
Really?
No, you can't have
I
them.
think I burned my toes.
I'm burning you.
My turn.
Hallelujah.
No!
You waved it around too much.
Why is there a hole in it?
Because Nigel digs it.
Yeah, that's where you were born.
Just don't cook your hand. Yes.
Combine the flame.
Light one near your face so I can see your face. All right, that's
guys.
scary.
Yay!
Light one.
I don't know if I can do it.
I don't know.
No, those are, it only lights on that. Look it, do it. Do it.
Can't do that.
That's hot.
Look, your fingers are pulling out.
Steve, you look like demonic.
Oh yeah.
That one's really like bright.
Oh, say,
I'll clap. Let's see. Let's see what this memory. Since we'll like.
I can't wait till I like.
Hurry up! I don't want to be
The only time
taping
we'll
just
ever
darkness.
Hold on.
Is so I can like take a thing of vodka and go, hey, check this out. What did it even light?
Watch your hand. One's dropping down near your hand. It's gonna hurt.
Pick up sticks.
Okay, I'm bored.
Yeah, I'm bored. I'm going inside.
Okay.
So am I.
Burn the house! Burn the house! Oh yeah.
Watch out, I'll get you. Can you see me now? Good.
You look so weird.
Guten Tag.
Kiss.
No thanks. Definitely.
Yeah?
He's making his dramatic entrance.
What a fag.
I'm gonna go back.
Yeah, that's right. You go back inside.
Do you want a tape? I'm never in any of my videos. Alright,
The secret window?
Johnny Depp.
Oh,
You.
Johnny Depp.
Here. It's taping.
Just for Ashton.
What?
Just for Ashton. Just for Ashton.
Wait, hold on. Alright, this is going on YouTube. None of that.
Oh, nobody wants to see that. Back to Britain.
Back to me. Stop being like
I'm gonna stab you with this huge knife.
Party boy!
Look how big the handle is by how little.
That's ridiculous.
It's like,
Alright guys, who wants to get this party started?
I hate you.
Oh my God.
Oh, you have the hairiest belly button I've ever seen.
That one's better.
Oh my God. No, my favorite knife is a.
No. Alright, fine. You can have that one. I get this one. I get the bread knife.
That would suck.
Wait, hold on. Tape the tape. I wanna have
I get the spreader.
Oh my God. Are you taping that?
Yeah.
I'm just like,
Dude, you scared me so much. Look at my knife. My knife is so sharp.
Yeah.
No.
oh my God, that was like the
No.
coolest thing in the world.
My favorite.
Dude, don't put those in your
My favorite knife is just like it's it kind of looks like or it's shaped like Ichigo's, but it's completely serrated
Okay,
all the way
okay.
to the tip. It's so
What we
beautiful.
have to do is rewind it because I want to see your face.